Hello my dear students, this is Swati Chawla. Welcome to my series for CBSE Class 12 Computer Science with Python. In this video, we are going to discuss a program which is based on the text file. Let's read the program first. What we have to do? We have to create a program in Python to read the lines from a text file and write those lines in a file that does not contain a character A in that. Means I am having a file which contains a list of lines, and you have to transfer those lines in another file that does not contain the character A. कि जिसमें आपका character A नहीं आ रहा होगा, that you have to write it in the another file. Okay, so let's start with our program. As you can see, I have opened my Python. This is shell mode. So interactive mode you can say. Let me just open a new file here. This is script mode. The very first thing we have to do is we have to define a function. Let's define the function with name display not A. After that we have to open the file. Here you have to write the name of the file from which you want to read the data. I am having the file with name poem.txt from which we will read the data. Let me first show you that file. This is the text file beta from which we will read the data. And as you can see, let's suppose this is first line. इसमें आपका alphabet A कहीं पर भी नहीं आ रहा. So it will be displayed. Then this blank line will be displayed. This will not be displayed. This will not be displayed. It will extract those lines which does not contain the character A. Even अगर मैं आपको भी कहूँ कि find out करो तो it will take time for you even also to check the each character of every line कि किसमें आपका A आ रहा है और किसमें नहीं आ रहा. It is having many lines so it will take time. So let's use the easiest method. We will make a program और फिर चाहे वो कितनी भी बड़ी फाइल हो, it will applicable on that. So as you can see, let's write the program first और step by step करेंगे so that your concepts must be clear. I am starting the while loop now. It will read the data from the line, from the file line by line. F dot read line, and this line variable will return the empty string. So जब भी आपकी फाइल वो end of file तक पहुंच जाएगा तो then we will exit from the loop. And if अगर देखो इसमें मैं यहाँ लिख दूं line. Now see beta, you must have heard about the membership operator in and not in. Let me just open this Python shell now. Here I am having the string. Let's suppose I am writing Python programming and this tutorial. Okay. So here suppose I am writing A in S. This S is your string, in is your membership operator, and this string that checks ki whether this string is contained in that, whether this character or string contains in another string or not. If it is there, so it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. ठीक है? अगर मैं यहाँ पर लिख दूं A not in S, तो let me just A not in S, so then it will return false. अब यही same logic we will use here now. If A not in line, this line contains the lines which we will read line by line from the file. अब first line को वो pick करेगा. If A not in this, अगर वो उसमें नहीं होगा, then it will return true. तो हम उस line को क्या करा देते हैं, पहले print करा देते हैं कि let me check it is working correct or not. If it will work fine, so then we will write this in the file. And here we have to close the file and we have to call the function. Let me just save this file also. as you can see, it is displaying all those lines which is not having the character A. And this empty backslash means empty line, this is returning by this readline function. Now it is working fine. So what we have to do? We have to simply just open another file. Let me just name it here, poem not A .txt, and we will open this file in write mode because we have to write the data in the file, and here we have to use the write function to write the data in the file. After that we have to close the file. It's so simple. ठीक है? Now let me just execute this. अब यहाँ पर let me just check this. Yes, it is showing the error, operation not writable. Yes, because let me just show you. यहाँ पर हम क्या use करेंगे? f1.write, because we have to write the data in poem not a.txt, which is having the file handle f1. Let's just execute this. It is working fine. अब हम open करेंगे वो poem not a वाली file. So as you can see, it is having only those lines which does not contain the character A. इसमें आपका A कहीं पर भी नहीं आ रहा किसी भी लाइन में. Let's quickly revise what we have done. We have opened the file for reading and writing. उसके बाद हमने while loop start किया. Then with the help of readline function, we have read the line one by one from the file. जो main condition आपकी use होगी, that is this one. If A not in line, that means जो हमने line read करी है file में से, if this character A does not exist in that, so then it will write the data in the file. After that we have to close both the files and then we have to call the function. I hope these concepts and this program is clear to you now. If you are having any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. If you like my video, do press the like button, share your views in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of my upcoming videos. Till then, keep watching, keep studying.